After recently getting my Ooni pizza oven, I've been looking out for different types of dough, and I saw this in the supermarket, so I thought we'll check it out, make a few pizzas, see if they're any good. So since getting my Ooni, I have made some dough using the Ooni recipe, and that's actually worked out really well. Obviously you can use that within a few hours of proofing it, or you can put it in the freezer for use for future. But when shopping recently, I saw this from the Northern Dough Co. So it's some frozen dough. Each ball will make a 12-inch pizza. So I thought I'd pick them up and try them out. So it basically says that obviously you put the dough in the freezer. When you obviously get it comes frozen from the supermarket. When you want to use it, you want to leave it out at room temperature for around 4 hours. Then when that's done, obviously you can start turn on your Ooni or your oven or however you're going to cook it. Roll out the dough and then obviously do your toppings and then put it in the oven. So we're just going to try it out, see if it's any good. As you can see in the box, when we open it, there are 2 frozen balls of dough. Each, in terms of what's in it, just trying to see what we've got ingredients. So we've got wheat flour, which is wheat flour, calcium carbonate, iron, niacin and thiamine, water, salt, wheat fibre, sugar, yeast and olive oil, and it's been prepared to a vegan recipe, not suitable for milk and egg allergy sufferers due to production methods. For all allergens, see ingredients in bold. So that was it. So obviously wheat, milk and egg allergies, you may not want to use this because it might make you sick. So I'm just going to roll out a ball because I'm going to make a cheese pizza for my daughter. I'll pop it in the Ooni and then show you what it looks like at the end and see what she thinks of tasting it and if it's something I would recommend or not. So that is the results of these pizzas. So I'll put up a couple of pictures of the other 3 pizzas I made, so 4 altogether. And yeah, my daughter doesn't want to be on the video camera, but she said it tasted really good. I tried a little bit, and I think the dough tastes really good. I think still not as good as freshly made dough, but definitely brilliant. Much better than some of the kind of ready-made pizza bases that you can buy, or the kind of ready-made pizza kits where you just add water and things. Definitely tastes much better. I think it's about £2.50. I think it was for one of those boxes. I will clarify down below what the price was. I got them from Tesco, but I'm sure it's available at many other supermarkets. So definitely worth checking out if you're into making pizzas, whether that be in the oven or you got an Ooni or a pizza oven out in your garden. Definitely worth checking out, I think. Let me know down below if you've used these before, any feedback. If you recommend anything similar, then yeah, definitely be interested to know. So leave a comment down below. Please consider liking this video. Also consider subscribing and pressing the bell notification icon to be made aware of other videos. All sorts of videos on Spectrum Geeks, flying, cars, renewables, food, cooking, all sorts of stuff. there may be something for you in one of the playlists. Thanks so much for watching. Until next video, take care and goodbye for now.